Jake here. I'm going to tell you how to win this cutting board right after you watch me make it. Here we go.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
Wait!
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip.
So here they are, they're finished. They're both 2 inches thick. This one's about 18 3/4 and this one's over 19. This is gonna be the one that's up for grabs. Every year I do the Make-A-Wish car show. I make something, we raffle it off. Last year we were able to give $1,000 to Make-A-Wish off of the cutting board I made, and I'm hoping to crush that this year with your help. I'm gonna put a PayPal link below. This is gonna be worldwide, but if you're not in the United States and you win, I'll send you $100. So try to get everybody involved all around the world, but if you're not in the United States, I'll send you $100 right back through PayPal. So it'll be simple and easy. And if you're here, of course, I'll ship it to you. If you don't want to get in the raffle and you just want to donate money, just send me a note. Let me know what country you're from and how to get a hold of you. And if you want to just donate or whatever, send me a note, send me a love letter, whatever you want to do. It's pretty simple. The first dollar gets you 1 ticket. Every dollar after that doubles. So $2 equals 4 tickets, $10 equals 20 tickets, $100 equals 200 tickets, so on and so forth. It's a pretty simple deal. It goes to a charity that I've been involved with for a long time, and I hope you guys will help me out. The event's on the 2nd and 3rd of March, and on the 3rd, right before the show ends, we're gonna pull a ticket. Whoever wins, wins, and thank you for participating. Thank you for watching. Hope you're entertained, and we'll see you next time. Go ahead and subscribe, follow the links below and all that, and we'll see you next time. Y'all be good.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.